Imagine biting into a decadent chocolate banana cake. Well, that's what we'll be baking today. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and start your own successful business. Today we are making eggless double chocolate banana cake. This is a great recipe to use if you have some extra bananas at home and if you are a chocolate lover. This cake tastes like a chocolate cake with a nice hint of bananas, so what's not to love? In this recipe, we have used cocoa powder and chopped chocolate in the batter. We have also topped it with extra chopped chocolate to give it that double chocolate look. To start the recipe, first mash the bananas with the fork and mix lemon juice in it to minimize any excess browning of the bananas. Afterwards, we'll add oil, milk and vanilla. Just to be sure, I'm using vegetable oil, but you can also use canola oil, sunflower oil or coconut oil. In a different bowl, sieve all the dry ingredients that are all-purpose flour, almond flour, baking powder, baking soda, brown sugar, cinnamon powder, Dutch cocoa powder and lastly, salt. If you want to get new exclusive recipes, baking tips, tricks and special discounts on any new upcoming baking workshops and courses, we have launched our free Bake Better WhatsApp group. Click the link below in the description to join the free Bake Better WhatsApp group and join 1000+ bakers who are already a part of our WhatsApp community. Go to bakebetterpro.com/WhatsApp to join the free WhatsApp group. Next, we'll add the liquid ingredients into the sieved dry ingredients gradually and mix until you get smooth batter. Last but not the least, we'll add the chopped chocolate. While you are mixing the batter, please like and subscribe our channel. It helps a lot. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post new recipes. Next, we'll transfer the batter to a lined loaf tin and smooth out the top. Following that, we'll sprinkle some chopped chocolate on top of it. We'll put our batter in an oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Just a small thing to keep in mind, because this is a double chocolate banana cake with chocolate mixed in, be careful not to confuse melted chocolate with unbaked batter while doing the toothpick test. So our cake has completely cooled down. I'm going to gently demold it from the tin. So first, I will loosen the cake from the tin side using a bent palette knife. While doing this, make sure to keep the pressure towards the tin and not towards the cake. I think this looks absolutely delicious. Now, to take this to another level, I am going to pour some melted dark Belgian chocolate. To make the chocolate a little bit thinner, we have also mixed some oil in it. Our double chocolate banana cake is ready. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please feel free to share your views on the recipe in the comment section. Thank you.